Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Guess what, guys? I got my first ever fan mail.
Whoops. Before we start, please subscribe and leave a like.
So let's open it right away.
So yeah, the first thing I saw in this box is this book thing, which I think is important or not, I don't know. So yeah, why don't we open it now and find out what's inside?
It says, before seeing it, please take care of it. Also, you can take the play button out of that box thing I made. P.S. JC. Well, thank you, JC. Oh wait, no, it's in the wrong direction. Oh. Yeah, that's not gonna fix anything. Well, yeah, let's just put that away. So yeah, let's look what's in this box. It's a silver play button for Zien Network though. Now let's move on. And now the final item in here is a golden play button for EAC Universe. Now let me just move this. So yeah, JC, thanks for making me those wonderful gifts, and for you guys watching, thanks for watching. Well, goodbye. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and special thanks to JC. So yeah, here are some random clips that I've made so far, and it's just random, really random. I mean, it's extremely random. Seriously, stop watching. Stop watching. Stop. Why are you still here? Well, if you made it this far, you're awesome. My face.